Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete multiple messages on WhatsApp. Follow these simple steps to clean up your chat conversations in no time. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once you're in the app, navigate to the chat where the messages you want to delete are located. Next, long press on one message in the chat. This will activate the selection mode, allowing you to choose multiple messages at once. Simply tap on each message you want to delete to select them. After selecting all the messages you want to remove, look for the trash icon at the top of the screen. Tap on it to reveal a menu with different options. From the menu, tap on Delete for Me. This option will delete the selected messages from your side of the conversation only, leaving them intact for the other party. And there you have it. You have successfully deleted multiple messages on WhatsApp in just a few simple steps. Keep your chats organized and clutter-free by using this feature regularly. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Happy messaging!